Now, as COVID restrictions continue to loosen over the coming weeks, the province is once again making free rapid tests available to the general public, and the rollout is expected to be very different than the long lineups that we saw over the holidays.
We're in a much different situation this time than last time because of the quantities of the tests that we're receiving.
More than 2,300 grocery stores and pharmacies across the province, including Walmarts and Costco's, will be handing out these rapid test kits. Health Minister Christine Elliott says 5.5 million will be available per week until early spring.
In total, the province is making 44 million rapid tests available to the general public at no cost to them over 8 weeks to ensure Ontarians have tests available when they need them.
You want this 5 tests in every box for you. Okay, have a good day.
The rollout is expected to be very different from the one we saw over the holidays, with people lining up for hours in the bitter cold.
Why am I up at 6:30 in the morning lining up to get something that's going to make sure I'm not spreading a disease?
These maps show a more widespread distribution, including better access for those living in the north. 17 priority communities have also been identified, including pockets of Scarborough, Black Creek, Thorncliffe Park, and several parts of Peel Region. In these neighborhoods, test kits will be handed out at community hubs, places of worship, and food banks.
It's very regrettable, to say the least, that this is coming quite late in the game, in the fifth wave, when 1,100 Ontarians have actually died in the last month. So of course, I do wish that these tools were available a long time ago and they weren't prioritized just for businesses. It's never too late, and I do commend the government for thinking of an equitable strategy of distribution.
The new rollout is on top of the rapid test strategy already underway in healthcare settings, schools, and workplaces. 36 of the 54 million tests promised by Ottawa last month have now arrived, and the Ford government has procured many millions more. The health minister says this is another tool in Ontario's plan to gradually reopen the economy, and with some provinces announcing they're about to phase out vaccine passports and mask mandates, Christine Elliott was asked if Ontario will follow suit.
We have no plans currently to drop the passport vaccination situation or masking. We believe that masking is going to be important for some time to come.
Now, each kit comes with 5 rapid tests, and only 1 per household per visit will be available. Each location can distribute them however they feel is best. So some pharmacies, for example, might ask you to book ahead. Stores can hand them out at the checkout, and they will also be available with online grocery orders.